guys, I'm gonna be talking about like the first drama I've ever had. It wasn't even big. It was just me and like 2 Echelon. Wombat Yoshi keeps telling me, cause I uploaded part 2 and Wombat Yoshi told me not to do that again. Or else he'll ban my IP address. And so did some other guy. I don't know how you do that. But I'm gonna discuss. So like, okay, someone named KB415 was banned. And by the way, can you breathe heavy into my mic next time? Yeah, just a bunch of people getting mad at me for doing this. Pretty sure my alt account is getting banned. I'm not sorry for what I did, but and yeah, I won't ever be. I'm not gonna ever be sorry about that. Like, I was trolled, and I don't care if you unban me or not. I'll have you all admins know that I'm going to be making another trolling video. So ban my IP address. Ban my IP. Joshua. Joshua, aka Anonymous, and Joshua, he is person, and apparently he's gonna ban my IP address, but, yeah, there's gonna be a part 3 coming out, and, yeah, people are, like, they're mad, so I'll have you guys know I have many alts. Hey, guys, you know what, let me just show you an alt. Not really, so yeah, try getting mad now, noobs. But yeah, so yeah, the part 3 coming out soon on a different account. Oh no, whichever will it be? But yeah, that being said, to you guys and the moderators and all y'all, I'll see, and my OG fans,